So hello everyone, welcome to Paris Fashion Surat. Today we are going to do some amazing live which are based on these Indian cultured patolas. We have this exclusive collection at Paris Fashion Surat and we are going to show you amazing saris which is the pride of an Indian woman. एंड एवरीवन लव्स वेयरिंग साड़ी सो हम आज आपको साड़ीज बताने वाले हैं जो पटोला है, पटोला बेस पे. लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली टेल यू अ ब्रीफ अबाउट व्हाट पटोला इज एंड हियर इट गोज लाइक पटोलास आर इन हैंड वोवन साड़ीज. These are created at Patan, Gujarat. The name patola was derived from a Sanskrit called as Patakullu. So basically this is the the least information that I can give you. And let us just quickly begin. This is the first sari that I'm going to show it to you all. और यही मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि आज के जितने भी साड़ीज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ वो ऑफर्स पे है. These have like say up to 50% off. And you can see the crowd over here at the store is so full, like everyone is here to buy saris. So this is the first sari that I'm going to show you. It's a Pochampalli Patola. Guys, I want you all to see the print very clearly. Like this is so beautiful. The colors are so vibrant that you go to any function, you will be like the head turner of every party or any occasion. These are all made with organic colors. I hope you all can see this sari very clearly. Look at this amazing pleats. Like this is the ikat weaving and this weaving goes so beautifully. Let me just quickly show you the another patola. This is an ikat patola which has pigeon and elephant weaving. It is all on an organic color. People are over here just to buy these sarees. Like these are on heavy discounted rate and you all can buy it for your upcoming functions and weddings and whatever you guys are planning for. Let me just quickly take you to the another. I hope you all can see this sari very clearly. This is based on Kanjivaram. The borders are Kanjivaram basically, and the weaving you can see is again a patola weaving. This is all on an organic colors again. The green blending into the yellow and the red is one of the favorite part where the weavers have enjoyed it the most. I hope you all can see this. Beautiful saris which are exclusively available at Paris. Let me just quickly take you to a fancy for the youth. Like this is just made for the youth generation, considering them in mind. This has, I hope you all can see it very clearly. It has checks all over the skirt and then the borders of patola. This is just keeping in a reminder like the youth. If youth generation wants to buy it, they can purchase it and make it look like so beautiful and elegant on them. Now let me quickly take you to another sari which is a Kanjivaram fusion patola. I hope you all can see it very quickly. This is a very quick live just because Rakhi is coming nearby and we want to show you all the beautiful collection with an amazing offer and discount that is going on. So yeah, and this is finally the Patan Patola which you all were waiting for like since then. I hope you all can see the colors very clearly. There is a lot more that we can show you, but we will show you all this on a video call. You can use our services called as video call service, video shopping, which is also known as video shopping. You can also do a shopping with us from WhatsApp. So this is all available, and also the price are low considering the season is up and the festivals are there nearby. So all these patolas are exclusively available at Paris Fashion Surat. We are just quickly showing you, just doing a very quick short live so that we all can connect on everyday basis. And now onwards, we are assuring all our Insta family that we are going to do an amazing live for you every now and then so that you can come up and see what are the new collections and which offers are going on. So ये सारी फैसिलिटीज आप यूज कर सकते हैं एंड अभी करंटली 50% लाइक अप टू 50% एज अ डिस्काउंट गोइंग ऑन. तो आप सभी रश करिए एंड यू कैन कॉल अस ऑन आवर गिवन नंबर दैट आप बिलो मेंशन कर देती हूँ नीचे, सो दैट आपको इजी हो जाएगा हमें कनेक्ट करने के लिए और हम आपको ऐसे ही अमेजिंग कलेक्शंस बताते रहेंगे. सी दिस मल्टी कलर्ड पटोला, पाटन पटोला साड़ी बहुत क्लासी है, बहुत एलिगेंट है और इस पे डिस्काउंट चल रहा है. तो राखी नजदीक है, आप क्विकली इसे बाय करिए एंड यू कैन गिफ्ट इट टू योर सिस्टर. शी विल बी द मोस्ट हैप्पीएस्ट वन टू वेयर बिकॉज ऑल इंडियन वुमेन लव्स टू वेयर sarees and sarees are their favorite. So don't waste your time, just quickly come and buy this. इस पे up to 50% डिस्काउंट चल रहा है which is rare to see at any store in Surat. So only Paris Fashion is giving this to you. तो आप rush करिए and come and buy this very quickly. So guys, I am seeing you tomorrow and day after with an amazing live again with much new collection, more new collection and much more good discounts for all you. So do share this video with all your friends and families who are looking out for patola, and you can also find this video on our YouTube channel. So do not miss anything. If in case you have missed anything, you can watch us on YouTube or else on Pinterest. We are available on Pinterest and all the social platforms. So you can quickly contact us. The number I'm putting it down in the comment section below so that आपको easy हो जाए to call us and get the information required for your favorite patola sari. And there you go. Quickly avail this offer because ये offer बहुत limited period के लिए है and ये आपको हर साल नहीं मिलेगा. तो this is the only time where you can buy this with up to 50% off and gift it to your beloved ones according to your need. Thank you so much guys for joining us, and I'm going to attend all your questions once I'm ending this live and reply to all of you. Do leave your comments down below or else you can DM it to me so that I can get in touch with you very quickly. Thank you so much. See you soon.